Hi, this is John with AT&T. And right here with me, I have my new daily driver. This is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And the fact that, first of all, this phone is well built. Everybody has looked at me and said, that's such a nice looking phone because of the materials all around, the whole looks, the whole software, and how everything moves. This is a fast, reliable, and a great phone when it comes to moving apps. And the fact that you have the whole Google ecosystem, the whole software is just so coherent. And this just clean Android that you're just gonna enjoy about how simple and at the same time how good this phone is. This has one of the best cameras that you could see. I've even had people that tell me like, "Hey, take a picture with your phone," and I can understand why. The software, how it goes through, takes the picture, then the processing after is just great. Good video quality. Overall, a fast, reliable phone that you're just gonna enjoy that a lot. I was having some problems with battery issues with other phones, but this guy here, solid battery, nice speakers, and overall a great experience when it comes to having a good phone. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point.